Alright, we're going to do a quick video tutorial on how to use a TV and lighting. Just so you know, the remotes typically, when you find them, will be up here. DVD remote, as labeled. LG TV, that'll work the TV. We have a Roku TV remote. We have this white remote, which works the two upstairs fans that are in the windows up there. One for one of them, two for the other. And then we have this Honeywell remote, which turns on the accent lighting. So if you turn it on, there's your accent lighting. You can dim them a little bit, and you can increase them. They're LED, so they won't get hot, so you don't have to worry about that. They're just nice accent lights for night. From a TV perspective, we'll take this LG remote. We'll flip on the TV. Right now, it's currently on the Roku portion of it. To switch between Roku, DVD, and antenna TV, which is not that great, this top button right here, if you hit it, it brings up this little menu here. And you can see live TV, HDMI 2, which is Roku, and then there's another one that should be the DVD player, and you can just hit the down buttons to go through the various menus. So we're on Roku right now. You can go to all inputs if you want, and that'll just bring in all the inputs that we have set up. And you can again use the down arrow to go through the various inputs that we have. And one of them is going to be the DVD player, but let's stick with the Roku. Alright, Roku TV, if you have not used Roku TV, it connects to the Wi-Fi, and by the way, the Wi-Fi password is right on the listed right on the DVD player. If you've never used Roku TV, it connects to the internet, and there are various apps. So on this Roku TV thing, you can hit the home button. Now the home button, from the home screen, which is right there, if you use the arrow button to get over to where Netflix is, you can watch movies on Netflix. I think my account's on there, so that's fine. You can use my account. I don't use it very often. So you can click in there. You can click on Mike or Kids. Kids will bring up a lot more kids stuff. Mike will bring up whatever. Whoever's been watching whatever. They have a lot of different things on there. If you go into Mike on the menu, you can search for stuff. You can just go through the various menus and find whatever's out there. You can search for stuff using the search mode if you wanted to search for something. And then if you want to get back, you can go hit the home button, and that'll take you back to Roku Home. So if you know how to add stuff, you can add stuff if needed. But what I typically use is Netflix. I also use YouTube to watch music videos, which is nice. So if you go all the way down, there's YouTube. And then if you want to watch your home news, you can click on News On, and it features local news from around the country. So you can actually hop on here and find your home news station if you're curious about the weather or what's going on there. So you can go up, it'll bring up Buffalo, but you can go up on the menu and you can go over to search. And like for Pittsburgh, I would put in WPXI, then click OK. and OK, and you can watch it. Those are the 3 things that I use on the YouTube, on the Roku. But it'll bring that stuff up. There's probably commercials and stuff with it. But if you were to search for other things, there's other apps in that Roku that you can maybe use to find free movies and stuff like that. I don't know what's out there, but definitely something to consider. But that's your Roku, and that's what we use it for. And I'm just going to hit home. If you don't use it for a while, I think it'll go back to that screen with the fish, and that's Roku. But nice thing about YouTube is you can watch music videos. So if you go to YouTube, that's what I like YouTube for. I guess cat videos too. So on YouTube they have recommended, but if you go up, you can go to music, and then they have all kinds of different music videos that you can scroll through and try to find, and search on artists and that sort of thing. So that is the quick video tutorial on the TVs, how to work them. And there's a DVD player, there's some DVDs in there, and I hope you guys get to use them and figure it out.